going to give us a nice 3.5-inch drop for that nice slinky, slithery look that we got to have. All right, to install the springs and spindles, just slide in the spring, make sure it seats up in the top pocket, then bolt on your spindle. Now, if you're working on a bare frame like this, you're not going to have enough weight, so you're going to have to add something so you can jack up this lower control arm, compress that spring, so you can bolt this spindle on. Now, to tie those two spindles together, we're going to bolt on the tie rod ends and the idler arm and the pitman arm, and those just bolt into the stock location.
River's first time ever on a scooter. Hang on, 2 hands. Whoa. Go ahead.
I'll park.
Go ahead, ride your scooter. Go. Steer. You gotta learn how to steer. Turn the wheel which way you want to go. You want to go that way? You want to go that way? You want to go that way? Do you want to go that way? Well, get on there and start steering. Go.
It's too deep.
I know, because you got in the water. Get back on. Go ahead, you can go. Let's go. Turn the wheel. No, turn it the other way. If you want to go that way, you have to steer this way. Where?
Hi, Kima.
What's your name?
River.
River. Keep drawing. What are you making?
Cool pop. Whoa. Pop. Oh, wow.
The camera. That's it for the chalk, right, River? We done chalking?
No.
We got airplanes, jellyfish, race cars, some scribble. We got fighter jets and superheroes and shooting stars and blue diamonds and yellow moons. It's me Lucky Charms. Say hi, River.
Excuse.
What's up, friends? Sorry I haven't uploaded a video. Took off for Christmas. But my plans are to start doing some holiday videos. But right now, look at this mess. I just cleaned this shed out. These are all leftover fence pickets. This is a truck bed liner. So, I'm going to try to organize some kind of shelves. Something. Get everything up off the floor. This roof has some terrible leaks. So we might be putting a new roof on this old shed. And this door, I've already smacked my head so many times. So the plan is, I'm gonna build some new doors up nice and high. I know I'm a little out of breath, but that's my current disaster. Camper's still looking good. It's a little messy. It's laundry day. And then the big project, tackling this garage. That's for a whole nother day. So anyway, back to work. Try and build some workbenches. An old bucket of random screws I've been saving up over the years. Twice I dropped the level. Right out there. Makita makes pretty good leaf blowers. Alright, one workbench down. Now I'm going to make a little L right here. See if I can drop this level a few more times. This is what's cool about having a workbench. I already have a place to work. Here's that piece of wood I just made. That should fit in there. And that should fit right about there. Lucky me, found a new Phillips tip. Let's see how long it takes me to wear this one out. Get this countertop screwed down. It's 3/4 inch plywood. Now I gotta get all of this to fit in this tiny shed. Alright, next day I got the compressor. I built a little table on top of the compressor for extra storage. Workbench done. And there's our little shed. These shingles are going to go on the roof. There's some front end, some lawnmower parts. I got a project coming up for a cycle car with a transmission, with reverse, full suspension. Got some golf cart leaf springs. That's an upcoming project. I don't know if you guys remember if you go back in my early videos, my kayak build, these were the Yamas, they're called, the outriggers. I call them my destroyer escorts. So you'd have to go way back in my videos to watch that. Now we got this thing coming up. We're going to do a will it start. I just was trying to oil the chain. I popped it in gear, I pulled it backwards. The engine does move. So hopefully, you can see I oiled up the axles too. This thing's so hard to move. I'm going to have to pull these wheels apart and make sure everything's greased. But that's coming up. And hopefully in the near future, you can look forward to this build. I built this hull years ago. Never finished it. I got a Chinese off of eBay RC prop kit, a prop shaft. Here's the rudder with water cooling that goes around the exhaust. And I got a nice Echo weed eater engine. Had to sacrifice a really good weed eater, but that's a good motor, so this thing should fly. That's coming up in a future episode, so look forward to that. And that's all, guys. It's my update. Happy holidays to everybody out there. Today's Friday, the week after Christmas. Not quite New Year's yet. I don't know what the date is, but stay tuned. And sorry I haven't been making any videos, but there's more coming. Good stuff. So I'll see you then. Bye.